Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel Tradingfyive. And in this video we are going to do a market analysis. That's right. We are going to analyze the market and we are going to figure out what is happening in the stock market. And after this market analysis, we will understand that whether the Nifty will become bullish or bearish in some next trading session, or it will stay sideways. What is exactly going to happen in the market and how can we make money out of it? We will understand this in the video. And let me tell you that this video will help you a lot in terms of analyzing the market and polishing your skills in technical analysis. So make sure that you're watching this video till the end. And one more thing. If you find anything valuable, anything that can add value to your trading, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, and let's start with this video and let us first analyze Nifty. And we will first start with the monthly chart of Nifty. The reason is, whenever we start analyzing, I prefer starting with a longer time frame. This is because it gives me a broader view about the market. So you can see that the overall chart of Nifty from the past 2 years is bullish. That means on a broader scale, the market is in uptrend, forming a pattern of higher top and higher bottom. So on this chart, there is nothing like a bad scenario for Nifty except one thing. That is exactly you can see over here. You can see that in past 3 to 4 months, every candle that the Nifty has formed is a green candle. That means that the market is breaking the previous top and not the bottom. But the last candle that you can see on the chart is the red candle, which has broke the bottom of the previous candle. That means that despite the overall view of the market is bullish, the August month was somewhat bearish for the market. And if we go deeper into the time frame, that is on the weekly chart, we can get a more clear view about this. You can see that in previous couple of months, the Nifty actually broke a major resistance in the market. But right now in this month, the Nifty is actually retracing back. There are small retracement candles at the top, followed by some bearish candles. So you can understand that the market is slightly bearish right now. And you can even get more confirmation on the daily chart of Nifty index. And over here on this chart, the red color line that you can see is the moving average. And one thing that I want you to observe is that when the market was in uptrend, the Nifty was actually taking support on this moving average. And right now the market is taking a resistance on it. And this is not a very good sign. You can see that the market actually broke a support line over here. And right now there is a resistance at the 20 moving average. So all these two things tells us that the market is going bearish. And right now the next support level for the market are first on this CIP and next is at this support. And if the market continues in its direction and breaks this support, we can expect an effective downtrend in the market. And if such thing happens, we will look for various short trades. Alright, but the second condition that can happen is that the market starts to move upward and takes a support again at this level. So here we can expect that either the market will reverse and continue in uptrend, or if the first condition comes true, the market will go in downtrend. So here what we are doing is we are not predicting anything for Nifty. Whatever happens, we will trade accordingly. Remember that you don't have to predict the market. You just have to analyze what is happening and trade accordingly. Alright, so now let's look at another major sector, which is Bank Nifty. And on the monthly chart of Bank Nifty, we have the same story. Overall, if you look at the market data, it is running bullish. But this last candle over here has broke the low of the previous one. And if such thing happens on monthly chart, it is not a good sign. And if you observe the weekly chart of the Bank Nifty, you can notice that Bank Nifty is at its crucial point. Yes, you heard it right. This level is very important for Bank Nifty because you can see that at this level, the market is actually taking a support on the moving average. That is, after a long bearish retracement, the market has got a place for support. And secondly, there is a CIP at this level. CIP means change in polarity, where one level which was acting as resistance previously will act as support now. This same level was acting as resistance for Bank Nifty and is now acting as support. So if Bank Nifty accepts the support on this level, there are chances that the market can reverse from here. We can see an uptrend after this candle. Another thing what can happen is that the Bank Nifty can break this support. And if this thing happens, you can see a downtrend in this stock. The market might experience a correction. Next, let us look at the daily chart of Bank Nifty. And over here, we can see that there is a resistance on the moving average. And even the last candle has given a gap down opening. So all these signs point that the market may break the next support and might go into downtrend or some sideways consolidation. But here, we don't have to predict anything. We just have to wait, observe the market patiently and analyze it. Whatever move happens in the market, we will find opportunities to make money. Alright, so before ending this video, I would like to give you a disclaimer. Whatever I have discussed in this video is just for education purpose. It is no buy, sell or hold recommendation. I just want to teach you how to analyze the market. Remember that you have to do your own analysis. You have to do your own research in the market. Alright, so lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible. And do not miss such many contents on the stock market and technical analysis. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, and I will see you in the next video.